Hey everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods. Today we're going well beyond surface level. We'll explore everything performance, tech, design, what it's like to live with, and how it compares to rivals. Silhouette and proportions. The long hood, mid-engine, dessert flowing rear lines. As with many modern Ferraris, the rear is muscular, the front is sharper. Balance between elegance and aggression. Lights and visual detail. LED headlights, thin strips, sharp edges. Rear lighting design that echoes recent Ferrari language but with distinct new treatment. The side intakes are sculpted, functional, not just decorative. Wheels are large, low-profile tires showing off the brake calipers. The retractable hardtop is a big element. It folds up or down in about 14 seconds, usable even at up to 28 miles per hour, almost equals 45 km per hour. When the roof is up, the car retains good cockpit refinement. When down, it transforms the experience. Wind, sound, the sky, they help manage airflow, feeding cooling ducts, managing turbulence, and helping downforce. The active rear spoiler adjusts to speed and drive mode, more on that later. Inside, the 296 GTS is all about the driver. The cockpit wraps around you, digital displays, haptic controls, and Ferrari's new minimalist philosophy. Fully digital gauge cluster, center infotainment screen. Ferrari tends to keep it minimal compared to luxury SUVs, but expected features: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, audio systems, premium sound, possibly stereo. Good materials for speakers. The focus remains driving so screens don't distract. Connectivity, Bluetooth, USB ports, possibly wireless charging. Data logging, performance apps, configurable displays, RPM, speed, hybrid power usage, battery state, torque, map, navigation, track, telemetry, if applicable. Under the hood, 296 GTS is a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6. Yes, a V6 in a Ferrari, but don't be fooled. The internal combustion engine is a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6. It produces around 654 horsepower, is almost equal to 490 kilowatts. When running, Ferrari has tuned this V6 to deliver strong mid-high RPM power. Turbos are designed for minimal lag, rapid spool, and rich torque across the rev band. 165 horsepower from the electric motor, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. The hybrid system helps in several ways: instant torque fill, especially at low RPM, assistance during acceleration, dual clutch, 8-speed gearbox, rapid shifts, multiple modes, normal, sport, performance, or qualify, etc. Shifts are crisp, especially under load. Downshifts are aggressive. RAV matching, automatic. Basic safety systems: ABS, stability control, traction control, airbags, advanced safety, rear view camera, possibly 360-degree camera, parking sensors, front rear, hybrid safety, battery protection, management of heat, crash protection around battery pack and hybrid components, roof safety. The hardtop mechanism is well engineered. The sealed roof, when up, gives structural integrity. Electric mode for silent starts, zero emissions in certain areas, great for daily use or restricted zones. The balance between performance and environmental consideration is increasingly important, and the 296 GTS straddles that better than many rivals. Many supercars perform, but only a few offer a convertible or retractable hardtop that doesn't severely compromise performance, stiffness, or weight distribution. Better hybrid performance, higher top speed, quicker 0 to 60 in many comparisons. Cargo space and practicality are still limited if you need lots of daily usability or passenger comfort in back, if applicable, or long-distance touring. Braking is strong, consistent. The regenerative braking helps return energy but also gives a different feel, sometimes a small amount of bite from electric Reagan before the hydraulic brakes engage harder under more force. Engine sound is magnificent, especially when revving. Turbos do their job quietly until you push. So is the 2024 Ferrari 296 GTS the supercar you should buy? If you want the drama of an open-top Ferrari, the roar and soul of a V6 with turbos, the responsiveness of hybrid technology, and you're okay with cost, frequent maintenance, and living with some compromises, this might be one of the most compelling options today. Thanks for watching. If you liked this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next supercar review.